respected chief guest, principal, teachers, parents, and my dear students. I wish you all happy Republic Day. Today is 26 January and we are celebrating 72 Republic Day of India. It is one of the most important day for the Indian people. The day commemorates the Constitution of India which come into effect from 26 January 1950. The Constitution was formed by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, the achievement of Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India is the highest and basic law of India, so it is our duty to honor. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in the country, and only people has the right to elect leaders, the lead of the country. Our great Indian freedom fighters have struggled a lot for the Purna Swaraj for India. We should remember them on such great oceans and salute them. On Republic Day, grand celebration arranged by the government of India at Rajpath in front of the India Gate in New Delhi. Every year a head of another country is invited as the chief guest, the enhance of the gallery of oceans. Indian Defence Forces to Republic Day parades and take salute of the national flags. There is also a flag with invention of the Indian culture and tradition displayed by the different Indian states to show the unity of diversity in India. What did we actually realize the freedom dreams of our great freedom fighters? Unfortunately, here we have to worry our head in shame. The real freedom is still far away. The divide between the head and have to not had increased beyond negation. Corruption and cheating have become the order of the day. The great republic has been refined by villains and mafias. I don't like to elaborate further because you all know about happening around us day by day. Let us pledge to make the country an ideal India by playing distribute my freedom fighters and brave heroes on the oceans of the 72 Republic Day. With this, I conclude my speech. I thank everyone for giving me the opportunity to speak here. Jai Hind.